guys, it's Tim cooking here, and today is the first time by myself and we are going to be making pizza. Let's do this. The ingredients are 280 ml of water, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, grinded salt, 3 cups of flour, and 3 teaspoons of yeast. Guys, we're in the kitchen now, and right now we need 280 ml of water and pour it in here. Next we need 3 tablespoons of oil. One, 2, 3. Then you need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next we need to grind some salt in. Then now we need 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, 'Probably be easier with a spoon. 3. Then next we need 3 teaspoons of yeast. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to close the lid and put it on menu 9. And then you press start. So guys, now once we've finished the pizza dough, it's time to get it out. So once they're now in 4 groups, we need to put 3 of them back and roll 1 at a time. 1 done, 3 to go. I'll see you when we've done all of them. So now we need to put tomato paste on the pizza and spread it. So now we need to start decorating the pizza. So the pizza that I'm making is called the breakfast pizza. Now we need to roll the edges up. If you're having egg, if you're not, you don't have to. So yeah. So now I need to put some cheese on. Now let's put it in the oven. So now we need to open the door. Grab the pizza and put it in. So now the pizza is cooked and I need to get it out of the oven. So I need to get it out. And then close it. Now I'm going to cut it into 8 and let it cool down, and then I'm going to judge it. So now it's time for the taste test. I give this pizza 10 out of 10. I really like it. It's actually worth making it. I think I might make it again. This guys is the end of the video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.